Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my lovely friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and most trending design of crochet wings ideas. It's totally handmade and outstanding designs. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful and popular collection. So ever share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most effective and most trending design of handmade crochet swings ideas. I really hope that they will love this beautiful and popular collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and themes. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs of handmade crochet swings ideas. It's very trending and very attractive collection. So pick your favorite one and must make this beautiful design for yourself for home decoration. And thank you so much people for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new design, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So even now I am share with you the benefits of crochet swings. It's relaxing and calming. Gentle motion soothes the mind and body. It's portable, easy to take on the go or hang in a cozy spot, and versatile, suitable for indoor and outdoor uses, and comforting, soft, cozy, and snugly wrapped with yarn. You can see, and meditative, repetitive motion can be meditative and calming. Customizable, choose your own color, your favorite design, your favorite yarn and design. So handmade with love, a unique, personalized and meaningful piece. It's a eco-friendly, sustainable and environmentally friendly, space saving, compact and easy to store when not it in use. Fun and playful, adds a touch of OMC to any room and setting or sitting. Crochet swings are a wonderful way to unwind, relax, and enjoy some me time while surrounded by the softness and warmness or to of yarn. Happy crocheting viewers, and now I am share with you if you are a beginner, so this is especially for you, a very informative video. And now I am share with you the crochet swing making tips. Here are some tips for making crochet swings. So choose the right yarn, look for durable weather resistance yarns like cotton, polyester and acrylic blends. Select the appropriate hook size and ensure the hook size matches the yarn weight for a sturdy fabric. Use a sturdy stretch pattern. Choose a pattern that creates a Disney fabric like the single crochet or half double crochet. Reinforce the edges, add a border and edging to prevent the swings from stretching and unraveling. Add a sturdy hangers. Use a metal ring and or a sturdy yarn loop to hang the swings squarely, because it's very important. Consider the size. Make sure the swing is large enough for front but small enough for easy hanging. So I hope you all are understand with these making tips. Add a soft cushion, optional, but adds extra comfort and coziness. Use a consistent tension. Keep your stitches even or consistent for a professional looking finish. So these are the tips. Remember, patience and attention for to detail are key when creating a cozy and comfortable crochet strings. So happy crocheting viewers. If you all love these articles and if you want more design and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me. See you soon. Bye bye.